G'day everyone, Day's Gone Tragic here, taking out the River Flow Farms Horde using a rock climbing method. You know, I love a rock climbing method. I love it so much, I'm going to do two. Now the first one is this one. I don't think this is any secret to anyone. I'm sure plenty of other people have found it. It's so obvious. It's right outside their cave. And it's nice and high. Let me get Deek around. As you notice, look, you can walk around this boulder, and so can they. They can sometimes climb up here on that side. It's good to have the bike here to stop them, so just be aware of that. Anyway, let's take them out, and then I'll show you rock number 2. Okay, see that rock there behind Deek? That's rock number 2. It's nowhere near as high, it's nowhere near as safe, but we're going to give it a go. Stay tuned. Well, there you go. Not as safe as the other rock, as you saw. I got hit a few times, but it's doable. Anyway, hope it helps someone, and as usual, thanks for watching.